Hello, my name's Jody LaPointe. I work for the Technical Service Department at Coburn Supply Company. Today we're going to be talking about the Breeze Universal Heat Pump. The Breeze is a R410A universal heat pump or AC only. The Breeze will be able to be sold after January 1st, 2026 as a single component unit. The 2, 3, and 4 ton units can be reduced in capacity by 1/2 a ton, and the 5 ton can be reduced a full ton to match the indoor coil capacity. Example, if you have a 2.5 ton unit, then you buy a 3 ton, reset the dip switches to reduce the capacity by 1/2 a ton. Things you need to know: the Breeze units have rotary compressors. The indoor coil must have a TXV, no pistons or capillary tubes. The Breeze cannot be installed on an 1 1/8" suction line. You must flush the existing line sets with flush and nitrogen. You must use nitrogen when brazing. There are several ways to wire these units and set the dip switches, so reading the installation manual is required. Needle point meter leads are required for troubleshooting due to the small wire connections. High voltage wiring, 208, 240 volt, you have L1, L2, and ground. Electric AC only, we need a 24 volt thermostat. The SI terminal is only used when matching with a Breeze air handler. To the outdoor unit, you would wire Y and common. Heat pump with electric heat. You need a typical 24 volt heat pump thermostat, and you will wire the B terminal from the thermostat to the B terminal on the outdoor unit. These units reverse in the heating mode, so the valve would be energized in heating. Y and common. Gas heat with AC condenser. Typical regular gas thermostat. You'll wire your Y terminal to the outdoor unit and your common terminal to the outdoor unit. Dual fuel heat pump. You'll need a dual fuel capable 24 volt heat pump thermostat. The reversing valve energizes in the heating mode, which is going to be the B terminal. You'll wire common and Y to the outdoor unit. Setup is pretty easy also. To reduce the capacity of the unit, you will first turn off the power before adjusting the switch, and we'll go to dip switch bank 5, switch 1, and we'll turn that switch to on position. That will reduce the unit by 1/2 a ton. Looking at the 4 and 5 ton unit, we will do the same thing. We're going to go to dip switch bank 5, switch 1, and we're going to turn that switch to on. That will reduce the 4 ton by 1/2 a ton and the 5 ton by 1 full ton. And be sure that the power is off before adjusting the switch. You only need to change this setting if you need to reduce the capacity. If you want to take the heat pump to an AC only unit, we're going to be looking at dip switch bank 5, switch 2. We'll turn this switch to the on position. The power also needs to be off before adjusting the switch. Force defrost setting, we're going to go to dip switch bank 4. We're going to change dip switch 3 to on. And before changing this switch, you want to make sure that your power is on. You can also do a pump down on the unit. On dip switch bank 4, switch 2, we'll turn this switch to the on position. There's also more detailed instructions on pump down in the installation manual that you need to know. When charging the unit, check the airflow. If the airflow is not correct, the charge is not going to be correct. We want to turn our unit on for a minimum of 15 minutes. If the outdoor ambient temperature is between 65 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll adjust the charge to 11 to 14 degrees of subcool. If the outdoor ambient temperature is below 65 degrees, you will need to weigh in additional charge using the charging chart below. For a full copy of the service and installation manuals, please visit us at www.coburns.com or our Coburns Connect app. Go to the HVAC Tech Charts tab and download a free copy. You can also contact us at hvac@coburns.com. Thank you. Have a great day.